Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we'll be starting a new chapter which is centroids. So what is a centroid and or center of gravity you can say. So what is the center of gravity? So suppose we have this coordinate axis x y z and we have an object in the xy plane. This is the object and it has negligible thickness in the z direction. For simplicity's sake, we are taking this as negligible dimension in the z direction. So the point at which you can balance the whole object, like this copy, the point at which we can balance the whole uh, object is the center of gravity of the object. So in this case, we have x bar and y bar. Why I have made a line over x and y is just to show that it is the center of gravity of the object. So that is called x bar, y bar, and the whole weight of the object is concentrated at this point. Weight is equal to mg. Now, to illustrate the center of gravity, I have also made another example here in which the center of gravity is not inside the object, it is outside the object. So, it is not necessary that the center of gravity exists inside the object, it can also exist outside the object. Now, this same example I have written down here, but I have created very small strips of dimensions dw. So this one thickness is dw. So and the center of gravity of each strip is here, that I have shown here. Center of gravity of each of the strip is shown here. So what we can say is that x bar into w, that is the center of gravity of the whole object, in into the weight of the object is equal to x bar. X bar is this is x1 bar, x1 bar. So x1 bar into d delta w1, x2 bar into delta w2. So that is the way how we write the small strips center of gravity in the whole equation form. Xn bar into delta wn. Now if we have to if we have to do summation of all this, the RHS of this, then we can write integral of x bar dw. And similarly for the y coordinate, we have y bar w equals some integral over integral y bar into dw. Will that will make this whole summation into this form. Now to find the x bar value, we simply integrate x bar dw over w. So this is how we calculate the x bar value for the x coordinate of the object. Similarly, we will have the x bar y bar value for the y coordinate. So that was all for today, guys. You can have a look at the board. So if you have liked the video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.